Hello everyone, welcome to Marigold TV. Please, if today is your first time to watch or listen to my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to press the bell sign. For those of you now who don't already subscribe, thank you very much. I so much appreciate you. In fact, I say thank you. If you never subscribed before, kindly do so. In this channel, they always bring latest updates, latest news, ogbonge matter as e just say dey happen. Na so I take dey bring am dey come here. If you no want make dey miss any of these updates, just kindly press the subscribe button and the bell sign. So my people, this update wey I carry come so in fact, it's so very heartbroken and so sad the way some married men take dey treat their wife. Please, if you are a married man, always know how to treat your wife in a very good way, because a woman is a blessing in the life of a man. The same thing, a man is a blessing in the life of his own wife. When husband and wife come together and be cooperative, things go just dey good for the man, things go dey good for the home. But when you as a man, you know they treat your wife with love, with care, with affection, trust me, if they get as something, they always dey be to you will be man. So that is why you have to treat your wife in a very God-fearing way. Love your wife as Christ loved church. In this very update where I read, it happened to be say this woman husband, they say they beat this woman every day. As they beat this woman, now so he also they beat his own stepdaughter, which is this woman children wey don first born for another man. They beat his stepchildren, they do them anyhow. To the extent wetin happen, e be like say this woman and her husband, they don't first get quarrel. Previously, e come happen to be say the man no dey house. So when the man come back home on Tuesday, July 14, right? You can't see his wife with other neighbors. Then they talk. As the wife and other neighbors they talk now, before you know it, this man don't they accuse the wife, say his wife they gossip him, they give order of neighbor with the gather, they live there. Like play, oh, this man, he don't lose his temper, oh. He don't begin, don't they beat this woman, oh. The next thing where you see, this man just pour something on this his wife. If you see this woman body, whether na how you pour for this woman body, oh, whether na hot water, oh, I don't just green no. All the body just peel. Just that I cannot open the picture, and it make me cover some places here because of YouTube. If una see lots of pictures where this woman body take pay, and the place where this thing happen, so na Anambra State, na this man and the wife dey na it happen. So other people wey dey there, now they come dey talk and say, see oh, now so this man dey beat his wife every time. By the time wey police come get this woman arrested, as I am talking, and they say the man dey for under police custody. That they investigate to get to know wetin happen, why this man go dey treat his wife like this. This man dey beat his wife, now so you see they beat his own stepchildren. Just imagine. Women heart there. Marriage no be do or die. Now you there for your marriage. Now you know the kind pain where you they go through all the time. If you take your life for granted, this kind of man, he go just kill you. Once he just do any such a thing to you, the innocent children, they'll come there for suffer. God forbid bad thing. That is why you as a woman, no let wetin people go talk around you get anything to do with your life. If you are not feeling happy, it's very simple. I know that there are many women out there. They are so afraid to take the bold step when they know they are passing through pain every day. You know, say there are some women out there when their husband go come up for house, they go dey happy say this man comot for house. When they go don reach when the man go dey come back to home, maybe the man go work or the man go wherever he go, the woman, your mind go dey make kpikpikpikpikpikpikpikpikpik. The man don see dey come house, your mind no go reach ground. Time for you to take happy chill out with your husband, you no go get am. You will be man, for you to give your wife peace of mind, so that this woman go always dey pray for you. She go always see you as a blessing in her own life as a woman. She no go ever regret why choosing you as a husband. Some of those men, they don't even care. Imagine wetin husband do to his own wife like this. Is this not a wickedness? The way we see do his own stepchildren too. They say this same man don't first see do the same thing to his own stepchildren. He pour petrol. Blessing na petrol now they say he pour for the stepchildren body. The next thing wey this man do, he don't light matches. Whether I don't light am for a body or be was about to light it on that child body before the neighbors come kind of say waiting this man want do so. You know, I don't get to really know more detail about that one, but they say he pour petrol for the stepchildren body. What type of a wicked husband is this? Please, women, please, marriage is a beautiful thing. Don't use your life to gamble for marriage when they give you peace of mind. Sometimes it is better to live as a single woman and be happy than for you to live in a marriage that is giving you tears, that is giving you nightmare. Even the food where you go chop not go enter your body. The children where you even born for this man self, every day and night they go they see the way where their own father say they maltreat you. Don't you know that it have other side effects on those children? When those children have seen it, they don't feel happy. No be only you want they feel that pain. The innocent children where they look you, see the way where their dad, your husband, say they treat you, they are not feeling happy as well. Please, ladies out there, please, to men out there, know how to treat your woman right. Your woman is your queen. You want everything to be balanced for you. Please know how to treat your woman. If your woman even do wrong, you must not even raise your hand to say you want kill this woman today. How can a husband do such a thing? Pouring oil, pouring hot water. I know there are some women that are also still violent to their husband as well. But I'm not talking about that now at the moment, because now the one where I carry console, now I need to address. They say clean conscience, fear no accusation. If you be man, do something right, so that when your wife say with other person, they talk with other of his neighbors or his friend, your mind go dey relax. You no go dey get panic, say maybe your wife won't judge you to other third parties. Because your heart not dey clean, you know they treat your wife in a very good way, as husband should supposed to treat his own wife. That is why whenever your woman even pick phone, they talk to our own friends or family member, or if they talk to other neighbors, your mind go dey shiver. Say your wife want gossip you now, give her family. The next thing, you will feel so unhappy. The next thing, you go dey look for something where you want to do to this woman to create drama, so that you go beat this woman. Please, man should love his wife. You have to treat your wife like a queen. Your wife means a lot to you. The way you as a man, you means a lot to your woman. There is nothing as beautiful as a happy home. If you and your wife, they get misunderstanding, una go resolve am straight away. But when it comes to domestic violence, oh, that is no go area. Domestic violence can cause lots of pain in any man's life, in any woman's life. It's not what any man or woman should accept. When it comes to like having misunderstanding, it is quite normal. Maybe you and your husband will not go agree to disagree. That is normal. You get wetin your wife go do now. You go feel say, "Ha, honey, oh, you don't want it to be like this, so give her a good reason." Your woman go just say comply to it. Okay, you don't want her like this. Which way you want make she take one? She go say one. If she feel say e no see suit her that way, but at the end of the day, you will agree to disagree. You understand? But going far beyond that, ending up beating your wife, treating her like a slave, even these days, self, you dare not even treat your slave as help in a such a manner. Otherwise, you go for it. Not to talk of the woman you call your wife, the mother of your children. This is the woman that will cook for you, that will do everything for you. She will pray for you day and night. You will go to work. She will prepare home before you come. Please, man. Any man, if you be man where they treat your wife in such a manner, change your attitude. Make sure your wife start to see the change in you now, for her to feel proud that you as the husband now, you have kind of start to change. Don't let your woman see you as a threat in her life. Then let your woman always feel happy. Whenever you want to leave home, she will be so happy. When you are coming back, her mind go dey make ikpitim. Please. When you continue to do all of these things, one day, this your woman, when you think say she not go comot, leave you, one day she go comot. And when she go comot, you can realize all your faults, all your mistake. Broken home is not nice. Broken marriage is not nice. But when the life of the man or the woman don't take threats, then if you be the man, you be the woman, you know what to do then for you to save your life. It's not necessary for you as a man or a woman to say, no, you want to stay. You don't want people to laugh at you. If you laugh, if people go laugh at you, if you come up, people go laugh. It's not necessary. What is really important and necessary to you is about your own life. Let your life be so important to you, to the extent. Don't let any man or woman to cause you pain that you will always live to regret. Please, ladies out there, marriage is a beautiful thing. Broken home is not nice. There is nothing as beautiful as when husband and wife are always cooperative, understanding, treat your wife well. Wife, respect your husband, humble yourself, be nice to your husband. When you as a man treat your wife in a very good way, in a loving way, trust me, your wife will release all her hearts. When you go say make she sit down there, she not get any other option. She go obey you because you give her heart a peace of mind. Women need love. Women need attention. Women need affection. Please, if you are a woman, you go through pain like this every day, please know what is better for you. Don't let any man to send you to your, to where you don't want to be, so that you will have time to take care of your children. So, my people, that's why I see the whole thing. Thank you very much. And please, one love should keep every couple together. Wife, husband, one love is really, really important. Say no to abuse in marriage. Say no to domestic violence. But when it comes to love, yes, hold it tight and solid. Love move a mountain. Love make blessings to flow in a happy marriage home. Please, my people, So now, so I see the whole matter reach as I see am now, say make I say bring am come here also, that una go see wetin see happen to another woman again, all in the name of domestic violence. Marriage no be do or die. Please show a good example. Let the children you have to see a very good example, the way you treat their mom. Okay, and thank you very much. See you in my next video.